Singapore, ako po si Josh. Hi Singapore, this is Tel.
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat, ako po si Ken.
What's up Singapore, this is Justin.
Ako, Beyond!
SB19!
Let's go! And we had a lot of things to do the past few days. And that's why we didn't have enough time, but we enjoyed the food for real. And yeah, I just want to thank Singapore fans, mga Filipinos na nandito sa Singapore.
Pagdating namin dito, sobrang ramdam agad namin yung love and effort ng team. Yung pagdating namin sa airport, grabe yung salubong nyo. Parang kami yung OFW na bumalik sa bansa natin. Kulang na lang i-hug nyo kami, tapos...
I know that you miss us so much because last time we weren't able to push through. Pero today, we have our own team. Maganda yung production. Kasama namin kayo sa malaking venue na to. Solid! And syempre, maraming salamat. Kahapon nag-busking kami. Sino yung mga matan dito? Lahat? Grabe, lahat.
Yes, alam nyo, we have been really looking for... We sold out an entire, ano tawag dito? Arena or Expo Convention. And it's 7,000, di ba? Capacity 7,000, thank you so much kasi... Saludo!
Dito sa right side! Everybody, make some noise!
Woo! Grabe ang energy.
Grabe yung energy nyo. Kaya di na namin papatagalin pa. Without further ado,